Good morning, class 3. Yes, beta. Open your functional English book. Go and bring your functional English book and open page number 7. Today we will read this chapter. Okay? This is your first chapter. Unit 1. Okay? You have to read after me. You have to repeat after me. Okay? And put your fingers. Okay? Ready? Jack and the beanstalk. This is written with a STALK, but we pronounce it stalk. Okay, the beanstalk. Ready? Okay. Now, coming on the chapter. Jack and his mother were very poor. Milky, their cow, was the only thing they possessed that was close to a fortune. But one day, Milky has stopped giving milk. Her milk was our only source of income. What shall we do now, mother? Jack's mother told him to go to the village market and sell the cow so they could make some money. If I get at least a few pounds for Milky, we can start a business. Just then, a strange man appeared out of nowhere and struck up a conversation with Jack. You will get a lot more than a few pounds for that cow, my lad. How much do you think this cow is worth, sir? The stranger held out his palm with 5 strange beans on it. Well, Milky is certainly worth more than those beans. These are no ordinary beans. These beans are magical. Show them overnight, and in the morning they will grow into a plant so big that it will touch the sky. Okay, beta, turn the page. Jack, being a navy boy, was fully convinced by the stranger, but it was another thing to convince his mother. You sold our only hope for 5 beans? Foolish boy, no supper for you tonight. These beans are going out of the window. Jack went to sleep, hungry and sorry for his mother. However, when he woke up in the morning, it was surprised to see that the beans had grown into a giant beanstalk. Wow! The stranger wasn't lying. देखो बेटा, ये एपोस्ट्रॉफी है ना, WASN', इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे, इसको एब्रिविएट करेंगे, इसको फुल करेंगे. फुल फॉर्म इसका क्या होगा पता है आपको? वॉज नॉट. इसको कैसे रीड करेंगे? वॉजेंट. ओके. द स्ट्रेंजर वॉजेंट लाइंग. द बीन्स आर मैजिकल. I must find out where these beanstalk leads to. So Jack climbed and climbed until he reached the land above the clouds. There he saw something that blew his mind. A castle in the cloud? Oh, what that lovely smell! I am so hungry. The castle belongs, देखो बेटा यहाँ CASTLE कैसल इसको पढ़ते हैं, लिखा तो केस्टल है लेकिन ये टी साइलेंट होता है, इसको कैसल पढ़ते हैं. The castle belonged to an ogre. His wife, the ogress, was a kind soul. So, when she caught Jack stealing a pie, she offered him breakfast. Gobble it down fast. The ogre will hear soon. The ogre will be here soon. He is evil. He lives to eat little kids. Just then, the ogre arrived. The ogress pushed Jack behind a trunk. He hid there and watched the ogre quietly. Wife, do I smell a young kid? Where is it? Oh, there is no kid here. The smell must be from the soup that I made for breakfast. After breakfast, wife, the breakfast was pathetic. As usual, you and your vegetables. If you don't wish to angry me further, bring my hen that lays golden eggs. From behind the trunk, Jack saw the most incredible sight. Incredible sight. A hen laying golden eggs is unbelievable. You are one lucky hen if you did not lay golden eggs, I would had you for breakfast. Ha ha ha. After counting the eggs, the ogre went to take a nap. Seeing this as the right moment, the ogress told Jack to leave. But it was too late. The ogre woke up, saw Jack, and gave a loud roar. Hiding the boy from me? I will have you both for supper. Seeing the ogre in a bad mood, Jack grabbed the hen and sprinted out of the castle with the ogre. Run! In terror, the ogress had left the castle, but now she realized that she had nowhere to go. Where shall I go? I don't have anyone but the ogre. The ogre is evil and dangerous. Why don't you come with me? I am sure you would become great friends with my mother. Turn the page. Jack and the ogress soon found themselves sliding down the beanstalk. But the ogre was not far behind. You can't escape me. As soon as Jack and the ogress hit the ground, Jack started chopping the stalk with an axe that he found in his garden. Quick! The stalk was soon chopped down. The ogre fell to the ground and turned into smoke. Jack showed his mother the hen that laid golden eggs. But Jack, that's stealing. No, sister, it's a reward for freeing me from that evil ogre. Now we can all live together happily. Okay, beta. Now chapter is complete. I will give you the difficult words from this chapter.